What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another cooking video. It's actually contrary to popular belief. It's actually pretty simple to make. But I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate pudding. It's actually, despite how simple it is, it takes a while to make, but it's actually quite simple. So let's get started. So to make chocolate pudding, you're gonna need some sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder. You'll also need cornstarch, baking chips, preferably chocolate chips, but you should know what I mean. You'll also need milk, and you're gonna need an egg. Now, the latter ingredients we'll get to later on why you need it as we go along. Let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour half a cup of sugar into a medium saucepan, along with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and half a cup of the cocoa powder. Alright, so you're going to whisk together your ingredients. And we're going to set your saucepan to medium heat. So once you get your ingredients whisked, you're going to add 2 cups of milk to the saucepan. So I just added the 2 cups of milk. So now I'm going to stir this up. Bring the container to a boil, and then continue to stir until it thickens. Alright, it is boiling and it's starting to thicken up, per se of the instructions. Now it's time for this next part, and I'm actually going to explain to you why you need the egg for. Alright, so you're going to crack an egg in a small bowl, and then you're going to take a tablespoon of your mixture, and you're going to put it in a mixing bowl, and make sure you stir it up, and you're going to stir it up like so. Then after that's done and over with, you're going to put the mixture back into the container, and you're going to mix again until the egg's heated up. Alright, so now for this next part, you're going to add a 4th cup of baking chips to your of chocolate chips to your heated mixture. And then you're going to stir until the chocolate's been thoroughly melted. Alright, so this last step you're going to be putting your mixture into a bowl, and you're going to refrigerate it for 1 hour. Alright, so it's been chilling in the fridge for an hour. And this is how it even looks and even it feels pretty thick. So I'm going to give it a little taste test to find out. Can't tell if I made it too sweet or something because it tastes pretty strong, but yeah, I think I made it a little. Yeah, it's kind of. Yeah, but it does taste like authentic sugar, or chocolate. But yeah, that is how to make chocolate pudding from scratch. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.